today I'm making for you a kid's green juice. My little 19-month-old son Teddy absolutely loves this recipe. It's a real easy way for me to get some celery and spinach into his diet. So yeah, let's get juicing. Today I'm using the Best Greenstar Pro Juicer. This is their top of the line juicer. I love using it. It's a complete masticating juicer. It's the best juicer I've ever used for hard vegetables and greens, especially celery. All right, so these stringy bits, with most single auger style juicers, they'll jam it up very easily. Not a problem for the Greenstar. I've actually got little pocket recesses here on the gears. That's actually like little cutting teeth basically. So that's what's going to cut through the celery leaves. So these are the gears, you can see that there, you can see the weight in them. All stainless steel gears. And I've got some little dots here on the back. You can see that there. I'm going to line those dots up. So one gear will drive the other gear. Oh, make sure it's lined up. There we go. And I'm going to put those on here. These are actually bioceramic and magnetic technology in the gears. I don't know if you can see this here. You'll see this will start to push it away. There we go. So that's actually magnetic technology in the gears, and this way they'll come together. It's actually going to keep your juice alive for longer. It's going to stay fresh for 3 to 4 days, so which is great. I only have to juice twice a week, and it's going to keep nice and fresh in the fridge. So let's get juicing. I'll stop talking. Put that on. I've got my fine juicing screen. Latch that on. A safety hood. All right, let's get juicing. Switch it on. Now with the Greenstar, you actually get a wooden tamper or the plastic tamper. I like to use the wooden tamper. I find it easy to push things in. Apple, beautiful. Just gonna put the whole apple in with the seeds, stem, the peel. I want to have this outlet adjusting knob nice and tight, and then I loosen it off ever so slightly. All right, so that's gonna keep my pulp inside here until it's it's got all the juice out of it as possible basically, and then it's going to expel it out this feeding chute. Okay? So keep on feeding that in. Here goes my apple. So any seeds or stems, they're just going to get expelled out the feeding chute as well. Whole celery stick, in it goes. Celery, not a problem for Greenstar. That's it. All right, so I'm done. I've got a litre of beautiful, move the chopping board, litre of beautiful, fresh, green juice here. I'll give that a little stir together, just bring it all together. Look at that. Such a good recipe. Kids are gonna love it. I love it. Even the adults will love it. And it's an easy way to get the celery, the spinach into your diet because you're mixing it with that beautiful sweet fruit. Like I said, it's gonna store in the fridge for 3 to 4 days and retain all that beautiful nutrition and flavor. Happy juicing.